Okay, so today we're gonna be making like a dishwasher. You're gonna need this, like you could get it from eggplant parmesan, like that. And then a goldfish box, which is cut open. Then a fall box, which I put the sink in. Okay, so on one of the sides, you're gonna put the goldfish box there. Then try to stick this in here, and you can tape it. So then, like, you could, hold on. So let's see if this works. It can hold water. So it can actually hold water. I guess that you could actually like do this, then you could take it in and out. And then like you can dry it off and put it in here. So I hope you make it, and it will be just pretty easy. Just pour some water in here, scrub all the dishes, dry them, done. Bye.